In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Flodesk with Squarespace. This task is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step so you can seamlessly add a custom form to your Squarespace website for collecting emails. This integration will help you capture leads and grow your email list, enhancing your digital marketing efforts. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to create a Flodesk account. This is the platform we're going to use to design a beautiful email collection form. In Flodesk, you can set up a form tailored to your brand's aesthetic. Once you've got your account up and running and your form designed, the next step is to grab the embed code for that form. Think of the embed code as the bridge between Flodesk and your Squarespace site. You'll find this in the Flodesk dashboard under the form settings. Copy this embed code, as it's crucial for the upcoming steps. Now let's switch gears and head over to Squarespace, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the page where you'd like to place your Flodesk form. It could be your home page, a landing page, or wherever you think it would engage visitors most effectively. Once you're on the right page, open up the Squarespace editor, which is the tool that allows you to modify the page layout and add new elements. Here you'll want to add what Squarespace calls a code block. In the editor, you'll find this option in the Add section menu. The code block is where we'll embed the code you just copied from Flodesk. Once you've added the code block to the desired spot on your page, paste the Flodesk embed code right in there. This step places your custom form onto your Squarespace site, allowing it to appear seamlessly alongside your existing content. With your form now embedded, it's essential to test that everything's working as expected. The testing phase ensures that when visitors submit their email addresses through your form, the information is accurately captured and reflected in your Flodesk account. Go ahead and fill in the form as if you're a new subscriber to check its functionality. Submit an email and then verify that this email appears in your Flodesk database. And that's it, you've now successfully integrated Flodesk with your Squarespace website. By doing so, you've taken a significant step toward better engaging your audience and expanding your marketing capabilities. Remember, this integration is an ongoing relationship. Regularly check back on your form's performance and periodically update its design in Flodesk to align with any changes in your branding or marketing strategy. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your digital presence. Thank you for watching.